look at 2a, we want to find, we are given the rate of change of y, okay, which is 4 units per second, and then we want to find the rate of change of x. So this case it is different. Okay, so dy over dt is 4 units per second. Then after that, we want to find the rate of change of x, which actually refers to dx over dt. However, we are only given y equals to x cubed minus 2x squared. So what should we do?
Find the
Okay.
dy over dx.
So very how should I put it? A very rough method, a rough understanding based on understanding that this actually works. Okay, we want to find out what is dx over dt. So in order to put our formula in, okay, we need dx over dy times dy over dt. Agree? So that it will be equals to dx over dt. Correct or not? Based on our understanding of connected rates of change earlier. In order to have dx over dt, we need to have dx over dy times dy over dt. So that it will give us this one. Okay? So actually dx over dy, it is 1 over dy over dx. Okay? In a very crude sense. Okay? So it is actually the reciprocal, dx over dy will be equivalent to the reciprocal of dy over dx. Okay? You understand? Okay, because let me do the algebra. For this one, 1 divided by dy over dx equals to 1 times dx over dy equals to dx over dy. So for us to find out what is dx over dy, okay, it will actually be the reciprocal of dy over dx. Okay, so this magic actually works. Okay, but this is a very crude way of thinking. It's informal way of thinking. Okay, but we can still work along with it. But you need not write down the formula. Okay, you did not write it down again. So you can write it somewhere else. Any questions for this? So let's start on this question. Okay, so we want to know what is dy over dx first. So y equals to x cubed minus 2x squared. Dy over dx will be 3x squared minus 4x. Okay. And then when x equals to 3, dx over dt will actually be 1 over 3x squared minus 4x times dy over dt, which is 4. Okay? So that when x equals to 3, dx over dt will be equals to 1 over 3 times 3 squared minus 4 times 3 times 4. And this will give you 4 over 15. Any questions up here? In case you are wondering, why is it that I cannot immediately find out what is dx over dy? Okay, this function is y in terms of x. I will never be able to actually change the subject into x. Right? If you look at it, this equation here, we cannot actually put x to be a subject in this case. We don't have the skill, right? Correct? We cannot factorize. There's no way for us to make x a subject. Agree or not? If you can, then that will be great lah. For now, I think cannot lah. Okay? From based on what I see, our algebra skills does not allow us to make x a subject. Okay, such that y it will be in terms of y.
So we don't need to explain the flip.
No, Okay, so it will be, that's why, okay, we need to go in this approach, whereby in order to find out what is dx over dy, okay, that will be the reciprocal. You understand? Because if we can actually make x the subject, then yeah, by all means go ahead, make x the subject, then we differentiate with respect to y. But in this particular case, we can't do that. Okay, so the approach that, the skill that we need to acquire is that dy over dx is actually the same as the inverse, the reciprocal of dx. Sorry, dx over dy will be same as the reciprocal of dy over dx. Yeah. Okay, any questions? And okay, why is it that this idea, this reciprocal idea actually works? Okay, let me just explain it. Okay, we understand that dy over dx, dy over dt is equals to dy over dx times dx over dt. Okay, so what we want now is to find out what is dx over dt. This is what we want. Okay, so actually in order to find dx over dt, to make it the subject, we will divide dy over dx over. Which essentially is the same as dy over dt in a loose algebraic manner. Okay, we disregard the idea that this is the notation. Okay, so dy over dt will be times dx over dy. You understand? Okay, so the notation has been beautifully designed such that we can capture this understanding from algebra as well. You can divide by dy over dx, so you can do this, divide. Okay, which is what we did. So when we divide by dy over dx, it is 1 over what? Reciprocal of, it is as good as times 1 over dy over dx, right? It is a reciprocal. That's why we can conclude that dx over dy is actually the reciprocal of dy over dx. You understand? No, don't write it. Don't write any of this, okay, because it is not algebra. But our understanding is able to be captured by the unique design of this notation. You understand? Yeah, so when you present answers, just write like that. Okay? Any questions? Or you write in pencil or then after you erase. Yeah. Understand? No, because we all understand this. Okay, any questions? No, Okay, I think my time is up. Alright, so we will continue with this tomorrow.